unit wise and topic wise. Ready? Student, in our unit 1, there are 5 topics, and we will discuss all the topics uh, in a sequence, means topic by topic we will discuss. So we will start our first topic, defining mobile application. Ready? Just wait. Okay, student. So first topic is defining mobile application. Ready? So what is mobile application? The student, mobile application also known as a mobile app, or that also known as a simply app, mobile app or simply app. And that is a computer program or software. Mobile app is a computer program or software. That application design in computer, but that run in mobile. That run in mobile. So it is a simple and easy definition of a mobile application. Ready? I repeat it. A mobile application, also referred to as a mobile app or simply an app, is a computer program or software application designed to run on mobile device such as phone, tablet or watch. Student, mobile application is nothing but it is a one type of application, that is a one type of software that create in computer using any programming language like Android, iPhone. But that application, that software, it is run in mobile. It is run in mobile. Not only mobile, but we can also run in mobile, tablet, watch. Ready? So it's called mobile app. Next topic is the history of development of mobile apps. The history of the development of mobile app. Student, in traditional days, in traditional days, what are the famous mobile applications? What are the famous mobile apps? So there is in traditional days monthly calendar, calculator, and some games like snake games that develop in Java frameworks. So such type of application that are used in traditional days in traditional mobile. But interestingly, interestingly, the first ever known smartphone was launched in the year 1993. In in traditional days, just how we use the simple calendar application, calculator application, game application. But student, in 1993, smartphone was launched, and that smartphone launched by IBM company. That smartphone was launched by IBM company, and it came with features such as the contact book, calendar, world clock, and calculator. Suppose in exam, such type of 1 marks or 2 marks questions are appear in our question paper, like like which type of application that are used in traditional mobile or in our traditional days. So which type of application that used will give the answer. एक कौन सी application use होती
Month,
थी ट्रेडिशनल.
monthly calendar and snake games.
एग्जैक्टली कैलेंडर, स्नेक गेम्स. तो उस टाइप की applications we will use, such type of application we will use in traditional mobile. Okay, student. Then phone was launched. In which year smartphone is launched? In which year smartphone was launched? What is the year when smart?
1993.
Exactly, 1993. Who will develop the smartphone? Who will develop
IBM.
a
IBM.
smartphone? Sorry,
IBM.
IBM. Exactly. The first smartphone that launched by IBM company in 1993. Ready? Okay. But in few years later, that means in the year 2002, between 1993 to 2002, means few years later, the next smartphone was launched, and that next means that smartphone launched by BlackBerry company. This was one of the major accomplishment in the field in the mobile app developed, making a significance of BlackBerry Limited is also known as a research in motion limited, means RIM. This was brought about the integration of the concept known as a wireless email. So student, in few years later, means थोड़े साल बाद, few years later, next smartphone also launched, and that smartphone that launched by BlackBerry, BlackBerry company, and BlackBerry that also known as a RIM. And what is the full form of RIM? What is
Research and Motion Limited.
exactly Research in Motion Limited? Ready? Research in Motion Limited and BlackBerry both are same company. Both are same company, and that launched the next means second smartphone. First smartphone that launched by IBM company in 1993, and next smartphone that launched in year 2002, that's launched by BlackBerry company, and BlackBerry company that also known as a Research in Motion Limited. That means RIM. Ready? Okay. But what is the main features of BlackBerry smartphone? What is the main features? The wireless email concept. Wireless email concept that implement in BlackBerry mobile phone, in BlackBerry smartphone, wireless email. It is a major achievement in mobile world. But some interesting fact are in mobile. First mobile, first mobile means first smartphone and second smartphone. Some interesting features or interesting facts are there. What are those facts? What are those facts? So users were forced to charge their mobile phones for not less than 10 hours as a battery would go dead after some times. So maximum battery capacity is 10 hours in those phones. Means next first and second smartphone, a maximum limitation or capacity of 10 hours only. And that take more time for charging mobile. It will take more time for charging the mobile, hardly 30 minutes. In a days, it had to be kept in for charging. At least 30 minutes is required for charge the phone. तो स्टूडेंट, ये जो टॉपिक है इसमें हमें क्या याद रखना है? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन. Who will give the answer? What is the mobile application? Who will give the answer? Yeah, Meet Patel. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please give me the definition. What is mobile application?
Application is a software which is developed on computer but run on mobile only.
Exactly, exactly, Meet. कि भाई मोबाइल जो है, that means mobile application means that it is an application or software that develop in computer but that run on mobile device. Ready? So that's called mobile application. Okay. First, which company that launched the first smartphone? Which company?
IBM.
IBM.
IBM. Exactly. In which year?
1993.
1993.
Exactly. Exactly. And when the next smartphone was launched, and which company that launched?
BlackBerry was launched this next smartphone.
Yes. In year
Year don't know, sir.
2002.
2000.
2000.
Okay.
And BlackBerry, that also known as a.
Research in Motion Limited.
Exactly. And what's the short form is RIM and full form is Research in Motion Limited.
Motion
Very good.
Limited.
Very good. Very good, dear. Okay. So some interesting facts that use it first phone. मीन्स फर्स्ट फोन में थोड़े इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है. कौन कौन से? कि भाई the maximum capacity of that phone is 10 hours. 10 hours batteries. And they take more time for charging the mobile. And another issues are there like network issue, network range issue, or such type of issue a call make a call issue. कई बार नेटवर्क के कारण कोई कॉल नहीं लगता था, नेटवर्क इश्यू आ जाता था. तो such type of issues that occurred in uh, first first time mobile phone. Ready? Okay student. Then अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं the history of mobile phones. Ready? Okay. Have any issue or doubts? Have any issue or doubts? Student? Any doubts? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, student. So now we will discuss the history of phone. पहले हमने जो देखा, it is a history of mobile applications. It is a history of mobile application. But now we will discuss the history of phone, mobile phone. अब हम mobile phone की history देखेंगे. Ready? तो देखते हैं क्या है. In April of 1973, exactly on third of this month, Martin Cooper at Motorola made the first call on the mobile phone to Dr. Joel S. Angel to Bell Labs. Student, first mobile phone that developed in April 1973. 3rd April 1973. Ready? That phone, student, that phone is developed in Bell Laboratory, but Bell Laboratory is available in Motorola, and first call that uh, Martin Cooper that do the first call to Dr. Joel Angel, ready, of the Bell Labs, and approx around weight of that phone is 1.1 kg. 1.1 kg. स्टूडेंट जो फर्स्ट मोबाइल फोन था वो अप्रैल 1973 में लॉन्च हुआ था, 3 अप्रैल में मार्टिन कॉपर ने मोटोरोला में बनाया था, एंड उसने जो फर्स्ट कॉल किया था ड्यू टू डॉक्टर जोएल, एंड उस फोन का जो वेट था अराउंड 1.1 kg इज वेट, रेडी. So it is a main thing. It is a main thing. Okay. Then, but over the next 2 decades, researchers were on the spree to get mobile apps ready for this device. Ready? But over the next 2 decades, means 10 years के बाद, after the 20 years, after the 20 years, R&D. What is the full form of R&D?
Research and development.
Exactly. R&D department of IBM, Siemens came up with the first mobile app for smartphone in 1993, exactly 2 decades after the first call was made. Means after 20 years, first call that made after 20 years. Then a mobile world that day to day that improved, that in progress, like the portable device or PDAs had their first operating system known as a Epoch, and that developed by Asian. What is the full form of PDA? Personal Digital Assistant. The full form of PDA is a Personal Digital Assistant. And PDA, which OS that used? So that used the Epoch OS. And who will develop that Epoch OS? The Patient company. Released in the early 90s. This was the first of the recognizable app. This exacting app of the 16-bit system that execute the Epoch user program could run apps such as the diaries, database, spreadsheets, and word processor, such type of applications that supported by Epoch or PDA. So student, PDA, that means Personal Digital Assistants, that developed in 1993. That use OS. PDA use the OS. But which OS that use? Epoch. Epoch OS who will develop Patient. In 90s, first operating system that developed, first mobile operating system was developed in 19s. It is Epoch. And student, Epoch is a 16-bit operating system. 16-bit. And which type of program that support, which type of application that develop in this time? So diaries, database, spreadsheet, word processor, such type of application that they developed in that time. That means in 19s. But the future models were capable of accommodating 32-bit OS and were integrated with 2 MB RAM, allowing user to add extra app to their software pack. Then student, future model means next model of PDA. Let's support 32-bit OS, means double. First OS that use the 16-bit, but the future model OS that use the means allow or support the 32-bit OS with integrated 2 MB RAM. and allow the various software and applications. Came the time of Plum OS is, and that Plum OS is developed in Plum Incorporation in the year 1996. Ready? So student, what's the next OS means? What is the first OS? Please give me the answer. What is the first OS? First mobile OS? Student, please give me the name. What is the first mobile OS? We'll give the answer. Yes, student. What is the first mobile OS? And what is the name? And who will develop? That OS is implemented in PDA, Personal Digital Assistant. What is the name of that OS? Tejas? What is the name of that OS?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या नाम है उस OS का बताओ? फर्स्ट मोबाइल OS का नाम क्या है? ब्रेनसी दूंगा. मित
HTC.
करण याद रख लीजिए. Epoch. First OS is the Epoch. Epoch OS that used in PDA, means portable device. First OS is the Epoch. Epoch is developed by Pacian. It is a 16-bit OS. Then next future model of that OS that support 32-bit. And which type of program that allow by diary, database, spreadsheet. And 32-bit OS means a future model OS that support the 32-bit operating system integrated with 2 MB RAM. Ready? But that 32-bit OS fully developed in 1996, and that known as a Palm OS. That developed by Palm Incorporation in 1996. Ready? So these were mainly designed for personal digital assistant. वो स्पेशली पर्सनल पीडीए के लिए ही थी. That was also known as a granite OS. It also known as a granite. Then these come with the touchscreen graphical user interface along with the number of basic apps and third-party apps that were programmed in C or C++. Student, then new OS we launched. The name of that OS is Granite OS, and Granite OS that support the touchscreen graphical users. Means touchscreen concept is introduced in 1996, but that used in PDA only. PDA, that means personal digital assistant. But graphical user interface means that allow a touchscreen, and touchscreen support the third-party apps that was developed through programming language, and which programming programming language that used in develop the touchscreen graphical user interface, C and C++. C and C++. Later on, the wireless application protocols means WAP browser were introduced as an extension for this. So in 1996, touchscreen concept that introduced. Plus WAP also introduced. WAP means wireless application protocols. Using that protocol, we can share data application without cable. Means using a wireless protocol, we can share the information for data. Ready, student? So it is a history of phone, mobile phone. Ready? Okay. So student, do you have any doubts in history of phone? Okay, student. In which year first mobile phone was launched? In which year?
1993.
No.
1973.
Exactly, 1973. And what is the approx weight of that mobile phone? What is the approx weight?
1.1 kg.
Exactly, 1.1 kg. Ready? Then first OS that implement in PDA means portable device, or first OS that implement in PDA. So what is the name of that OS?
Epoch.
Epoch. And Epoch is a 16-bit
Operating system.
OS. Exactly. And what was the next future model? फीचर मॉडल क्या था भाई, बताइए. इट इज ऑल्सो पीडीए, वो भी पीडीए के लिए ही था, लेकिन उसमें कौन कौन सा फीचर ऐड हुआ था बताइए. First, the OS is the 32-bit first features. Next features, it is a touch screen that provide the touch screen UI. Ready? Touch screen UI means touchpad. Touchscreen UI means not a fully touch screen, but that allow a touchpad facility. Touchpad. Ready? 32-bit OS, touchscreen user interface, and 2 MB RAM, processing RAM, that are supported in next future model PDA. Ready? In which programming language that used for third-party tools? C and C++. Okay. Wireless markup language. WMA. Wireless markup language. So what is a markup language? Student, what is the markup language? Who will give the answer? Do you have idea what is markup language? And which type of coding structure that used in markup language? Which type of? Who will give the answer? चलो भाई, जिस लैंग्वेज में आपको आता है उस लैंग्वेज में आंसर दो. हिंदी, गुजराती, इंग्लिश, कोई भी.
It is used to format text.
Format text, then
And example is HTML and XML
yes,
are markup language.
very good. Okay. Good, Myth.
Thank you, sir.
Student, markup language that use a tag for coding. That use the tag for coding. And how tag identifies whether it is tag or code. So tag that written in less than and greater than bracket. Less than and greater than tag brackets. Student, each tag have its own specific action, and that we can also add the additional attribute for extra informations. For extra informations. Ready? तो HTML, XML जो आप यूज करते हो, it is a scripting language that use the tags. Or mobile programming, our mobile OS that also use the WMA, means wireless markup language. That means that also use some markup language, but which markup language that use in mobile programming? So XML. It use the XML program. Ready? XML tag are customized tag. That means हमारा जो आउटपुट होता है हम हमारे मुताबिक उसका कोडिंग कर सकते हैं. So it is a markup language, XML, that also markup language and that used in mobile programming. Ready? तो देखते हैं कि भाई ये मोबाइल प्रोग्रामिंग में क्या है, मार्कअप लैंग्वेज में क्या है. भाई डेवलप्ड बाय WAP forum, the wireless markup language was specifically designed for devices that were dependent on XML and could be run across wireless application protocol. स्टूडेंट, ये जो हम मार्कअप लैंग्वेज का यूज करेंगे इज डिवाइस डिपेंडेंट XML and that support wireless protocol. That run also in a wireless protocol environment. It can run also in wireless protocol environment. It is a light in weight and would work on low bandwidth for the mobile devices that would work in late 19th and tore apart the existing strategy of HTML or hypertext markup language, which was dependent for the processing power. That means end of 19th strategy will change. That does not use the that type of XML file. It does not use the such type of XML file or XML protocol. Concept is changed. So, which type of file or which type of code that use in replacement of XML? They use JSR. JSR means Java Specification Request. J2ME programming means Java to Platform Micro Editions, J2ME. That support such type of protocol, that supports such type of requests, and later on replaced by personalized Java, which was a favorite of many.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
The voice is broken. No problem, I will repeat. तो स्टूडेंट J2ME that introduced in late of 90s in mobile programming, and that use JSR, means Java specification request, and that use some Java libraries for run or implement such type of functionalities. And the capability of implement or execute the jar files is 160 KB to 512 KB. And जैसे हम जावा में JVM यूज करते हैं ना स्टूडेंट, but J2ME that use the KVM. Do you know what is the KVM? KVM क्या है? Do you know? KVM that means kilobyte virtual machine. That run byte, that execute the byte, kilobyte. That's why the name of that virtual machine is KVM, kilobyte virtual machine. So, and capability, how many memories it can run? The 162, 512 KBs, kilobytes that run at a time with Java classes libraries, and that use the CLDC. Ready? What is the full form of CLDC? Connected limited device configuration. Connected limited device configuration, and was able to run for devices with memory 160 KB to 51 KB, 512 KB, and come with Java class and libraries are capable for operating for virtual machines. Okay. Then a new mobile phone was launched. That was what's the name? Symbian. Symbian that also operating system. Symbian that also operating system. The next in the row are developed by Symbian Limited, and which was the joint venture from Ericsson, Motorola, Nokia, Patience. This was the further developed versions of the Patience Epoch OS. Student, Symbian is the operating system that developed by Symbian Limited, but not only developed by Symbian Limited, that work jointly. And which company that joined with them? So Ericsson, Motorola, Nokia, Patience, such type of company that work together and develop one OS, that is a Symbian OS. And this OS mobile have great features like digital diaries, database, open office, such type of application that support by this OS, and running around 250 million devices at that time. Such type of mobile development that are available in 20 in the year of 20, means 19 के बाद जो 20 है in 2000s Symbian OS will introduce. Later on the smartphones and iPhones that we use today, और अब हम क्या कर रहे थे कि भाई smartphone and iPhone today's we will use, and that making lives a lot easier for people की जो लाइफ है एकदम easy बना दी है. मीन्स बैंक से लेकर सभी चीज that available in mobile, like media, banking, health, fitness, game, traveling, everything that available in mobile. And student every month approx 20,000 apps are add in Play Store. Add in Play Store. And the number of iPhone app download is nothing less than 30 billions closely, followed by Android app download, which is 15 billions. Now we stand somewhere where we can't even imagine how our essentials survive without the luxurious of apps. Yes, if life existed long before we were introduced of this. ये क्या बता रहा है कि भाई हमारे जो वंश थे, हमारे जो पूर्वज थे, वो इस ऐसी ऐप के बगैर, ऐसे फोन के बगैर कैसे रह रहे थे, ये इमेजिन करना हमारे लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. रेडी? Here some applications are there. These are popular applications that used in mobile phone. AppStock app. It is specially for wallpaper. Means HD wallpaper we can high quality or excellent wallpaper we can download from this app. Then Carter apps. It is specially for photo libraries. We can create our photo libraries, a photo album using this app. Tor browser. It is a very familiar browser. It is also app, and that available in Google Play. That it is work like is a Firefox browser, and it is very similar to Firefox. And there are very essential features like speed, high speed, and all types of browser facilities. Means plugins are available in Tor browsers. Lens distortions. It is also famous app. It is a that using this app we can apply some effects, natural effect in our photos or images. Ready? Like rain effect, fog effect, snow effect, such type of natural effects we can apply in our image. So this app is also famous app. And Dingo app. It is for streaming. If you want to do some live streaming, means if you want to see TV or if you want to attend some live stream like YouTube or any live stream, so that supports a type of live streaming facility. रेडी? तो आज इतना, अब मैं अटेंडेंस ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है?